And we're back to learning HTML. This time I'm going to show the aside tag. It's usually used to place, for example, a sidebar. So it's generally used for content that's not part of your main content on a website. You should still place it inside of the body. It has an opening and a closing. And then let's say you want to add disclaimer information. Just add a headline and a paragraph to it. Some people also put their about me in a sidebar. And there are still many websites out there that put their menu in a sidebar. So all of this stuff would belong there. The actual styling, so putting this aside on your website, this happens in CSS. So this is stuff for a future video where I talk about CSS. But let me give you a quick example. So I simply create style tags in the head, use aside as my selector, make the position fixed and set it to left 0. You can see this box here, the aside, has already been pushed fully to the left. Now I want to have the other content to the right. So I use a main tag and I nest everything inside of it. Now I have to select my main in the style. I make it a position fixed, left. At some point you reach a limit with these absolute numbers. So let me just use a relative number and I make it 50%. And now we've got the aside on the left and the content on the right. So as I've said, actually styling it happens in CSS, but I just wanted to give you a simple example so that you can see what this aside is used for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.